All right, so this is lesson 86, and it's multiplying fractions and whole numbers. So they want you to find in the explanation part 1/3 of 6. So I drew myself a little picture, and I broke my candy bar into 6 pieces and took 1/3 of it, right? So it's 2/6, right? So I have 2 pieces. If I find 1/3 of 6, it's 2. So remember that 6 is the same thing as 6 over 1. So when I multiply, I can multiply straight across and use, instead of 6, I can put 6 over 1. 1 times 6 is 6. 3 times 1 is 3. Well, that's a division problem, isn't it? Sure enough. So 6 divided by 3, remember the top number always goes in the box, is 2. So 6/3 is the same thing as 2. Well, when I think about this, can I say 6 times 1/3? And that's the same as 1/3 plus 1/3 plus 1/3 plus 1/3 plus 1/3 plus 1/3. Did I say that 6 times? So 1/3 plus 1/3 plus 1/3 equals 1. 1/3 plus 1/3 plus 1/3 equals 1. So 6 times 1/3 is 2. Cool, huh? Okay, the example they gave you, and they only gave us one here, so it's a pretty short lesson. What number is 2/3 of 4? So instead of just writing it this way, I'm going to write it with the 1 underneath. And then I can just multiply straight across. So 2 times 4 is 8. 3 times 1 is 3. Well, that's 8/3. But remember, to simplify it, I probably want, that's an improper fraction. Let's make it into a mixed number. That's a division problem. Top number always goes in the box. 3 goes into 8 2 times. My remainder is my numerator. My divisor is my denominator. So 2 and 2/3. Okay. All right, so 2/3 of 4. So I did 2/3 4 times, right? So if I added those all up, how could I make that into a mixed number? So I put it all in one candy bar, 2/3, 2/3, 2/3, 2/3, 4 times. Well, I took that third and filled it in there. And it goes away. I never had that one to start with. That one comes over here. And it goes away. So what do I have left? I have 1, 2, and 2/3. This is so much easier. I think this conceptual stuff is really hard. If you remember to put the 1 under it, you're good to go. But this is nice because it kind of proves why it works. All right, that's the whole lesson. Good luck.